You have to come back like that, yeah. Well, my move, be about, man. I know you don't do it, man. I'll do it. I'm a bit of fun to remember, but I
have to do it, man.
I
think you all the way.
Yeah, just hope you don't mind around this side of the show.
Fuck me, man. We get 4 cards in the room.
No chance that he goes far like that. No chance.
I will go spike, I go tell her your dog can't go work.
No way.
I'll fucking tell you that, I'm going to spare.
Nah, I don't think you will.
No, if you don't believe me, I will.
No way.
Yeah, go spar, do. I'm going to say, hey, your dog can't fucking work.
No way. No chance. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, God, don't work.
Alright. New fashion. Yeah.
Okay, now. I can't
What about beer, yours, right? 4 pack.
No, no, it's for you and Gavin, isn't it?
Now I go sparkle clean. The dog code don't work. I play pound this LED. I saw you fucking LED on it, so I go sparkle now.
What?
I'm gonna clean my pound back, didn't I?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, fucking hell, I've got guts.
You have to tell me.
I didn't. I thought you think I'm that soft.
You have to tell him, yeah. Go up to the till and spring, tell him, eh?
Fuck no, I thought you really think I'm much a coward, didn't I?
Nigel and everything here now.
Fuck you think I'm a coward?
Nigel and everything here now.
I go spar now, we want that pound back. I see nicely, I will. I just say I want my pound back from a dot collar. No fucking work. Yeah, go in there. Watch out for the car and go in there. Yeah, we'll give that pound back. Dot code don't work. It says LED lights. Doesn't work, you know. Don't do it.
No.
Should I clean my pound back?
Yeah, get your pound back. You have to get your pound back in here. You have to, yeah. Huh? That's the thing.
Yes, we.
Get your pound back.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Come on, I get some beers back in the chair.
Hi, John.
You think I had no guts when you say that? So that's fucking real, right?
Hey, that bike, good in that.
What bike?
The one that you sold Gary.
Yeah, it's supposed to go to my one now, mate.
No, I haven't seen yours, but it's good in that one,
Yeah,
huh?
it's for that much.
Yeah, for that much.
Mad, isn't he? He's gone back and spars, gets quit back
Still
for
there,
that
still
collar,
there.
yes.
I paid pound for this. It says LED dog collar, yeah?
But I'll be worried, you might never know, you might get...
It's not LED in it.
you be get strapped away and sent into lockdown.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking nuts. I can see.
Fucking LED, yeah. You can't be a pound.
No.
Oh, what you said, LED. Changing batteries, don't work. It's not LED in that. You see him LED. I paid the pound for that, man.
Yeah, it's dear, that one.
Good to know, whatever. I had nothing but dog. I'm going to see you, son.
Yeah, it's all right. You're going in like that, yeah? Might as well go in like that, yeah?
I'm going to fuck dinner, Fashion.
Fashion. Okay,
I probably will get served now if you...
you will.
If you don't serve me, God, I'll give me some beers tonight.
He'll serve you, I mean.
I guess I have to come back like this.
Yeah.
If I put it off, I guess I will allowed in.
Yeah, you have to come back like
Yeah, but
that.
the thing is, if I go back to beers, can't have to give me beers today.
Yeah, you're going to get beers there. He has to serve you. It's about how you look, is it? Huh? Nice, isn't it?
You right? I took us a bin and get 4 packs, so I go home and God, I'd have to get you sound because he's going to sit people.
He will, of course he will. Fucking hell, yeah. It's about how you look.
The guy said, I put it off there on the trouble.
Doesn't matter how you look. The fuck? It's about how you look, isn't it? They're for Gavin, anyway,
Yeah,
for you and Gavin, so it's on.
Go back then.
They're not going to not serve you looking like that, are they? You know, it's about how you look.
Gary wants me to go back like this, that's a fucking thing.
He does, yeah. You have to go back like that. Four cans you want in it? Is it?
You right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm going back to Gav, so.
Right. You have to go in there.
Yeah, I can't go in there, I'm still milk is still.
Of course you will. Alright, Ez. You're going to serve him like that, aren't you? What, with that on his head? Yeah. Of course he is. Doesn't matter how the fuck you look. Fuck it out. It's fucking bad. He's fucking dead, Genie. Mark. He thinks he's not going to get served with all that shit on him.
He put it on, he won't.
Have you seen a statement? With it? No, this with that dog collar. He's been dead, he has to do it. I'm fool, lad.